here is a same and different board. And then on the back is, you could do maybe a game with the dice where like each kid rolls the dice and maybe puts a number of counting bears in their slot, and then you can see who has more and who has less. Yeah. Sensory bin is a really great place to incorporate math concepts. For example, we're going to add these measuring cups so kids can see like how many quarter cups it takes to fill up a full cup. It's also another great place for peer interactions. Kids really love to get together around the sensory bin and engage in those math activities, and teachers also like it, so it's a win-win. And this one's really cool because you can fold it up and put it away easily. All of the pipes store right in the bin, and you can put the lid on when it's not in use.
So you'll see here the rocks. One set is painted black and has the numbers, and then the corresponding set, painted in white, has the dots. So there's kind of a multitude of lessons within this activity. There's sorting, there's matching, there's counting, quantity.
For example, these sensory bottles, all you need is just glitter or buttons or anything small that'll just make kids excited about water, glycerin, or corn syrup, and you just mix it up and make this, and then you just make sure to glue this tight so that the kiddos don't drink this by accident.
This is a Ziploc container with a screw-on lid.
Wow, and did you glue it?
I glued this is actually like one of those to help you open a jar. So I just hot glued it to the lid after I made a circle hole in the top for the plant and replanted it in here so the kids will be able to see the roots as it's growing. And then I used a clean old sock and used that to put around here so that the roots will grow out. And this is mint, so it's really safe for the kids, and this is a good one for toddlers. These cannot be opened. They've been hot glued shut, so they will never open. And this is a magnet activity to see, is it
Oh, wow.
Is it metal or is it not? What I did was I purchased some under cabinet LED lights. I purchased a plastic bin that had a really flat top and strung the lights throughout this. And I used a piece of tissue paper and a glue stick actually to attach the tissue paper to the top of the plastic container. And that was it.
So right now I'm in the dramatic play area. My colleagues and I came up with the idea of printing out dishes, and behind it is the name of the dish, and it also features like an ingredient list of how they can make it. The kids can kind of like find around in their dramatic play area and kind of like make up, and with that you kind of introduce math to them. So it's like dramatic play and math all in one activity.
Nice.
So we covered this with felt. And this is your fun little felt fireplace. So you can just get these out and they can play with them. And these are all sewn on, so they're safe for the toddlers. So this is a converted changing table.
That's what I was wondering. This is great.
So yeah, basically took out the middle shelf of the changing table, added it.
Put the rod.
Yep. Put the rod in there.